Here's a must-visit resort you need to add to your list of places to stay while visiting Zambia. This is RADISSON BLU Resort, mosi-oa-tunya, and it is a luxury hotel located in Livingstone, Zambia. Come along for this review of the RADISSON BLU Livingstone Resort. Let's start with the grounds. The resort is ideally situated on the banks of the Zambezi River, just a short distance from Victoria Falls. The location offers guests a tranquil environment surrounded by natural beauty, making it perfect for relaxation and adventure. The grounds of the RADISSON BLU Resort mosi-oa-tunya is designed to immerse guests in the natural beauty of the Zambezi River area while providing a luxurious and relaxing environment. One of the highlights of the ground is the proximity to the Zambezi River. Many areas of the resort provide spectacular views of the river where guests can enjoy the sight of wildlife such as hippos and birds in their natural habitats. There's a viewing deck and outdoor sitting areas along the river, perfect for watching the sunset over the water or enjoying a peaceful moment with the sound of the river in the background. Next are the pools. The pools are designed to enhance the luxury experience while providing a relaxing space for guests to unwind. The main swimming pool area is a large, beautifully designed feature that serves as the centerpiece of the outdoor area. The pool is surrounded by sun lounges and shaded sitting areas, providing plenty of space for guests to relax and soak up the sun. The pool is located within the resort's landscape gardens, so guests can enjoy a view of the lush greenery and the nearby Zambezi River while swimming or lounging by the water. There's also the infinity pool at the spa, which offers a stunning view of the surrounding natural landscape, particularly the river. The pool is designed to create the illusion of blending with the river or sky, offering a serene and visually impressive experience. Guests can enjoy poolside service, which includes a selection of drinks and light snacks. The pool bar offers a range of beverages from cocktails to soft drinks, allowing guests to enjoy a drink without leaving their sun lounger. At night, the pool transforms into a magical space with ambient lighting that creates a peaceful atmosphere. This makes the pool an inviting spot for an evening swim or just relaxing by the water after a day of activities. Next are the restaurants. There are three main dining options on site. You have the Kwamboka restaurant, which is the resort's primary dining venue, often featuring local specialties and grilled dishes in a rustic open-air setting, offering a mix of local and international cuisine. Next is the Boma restaurant. The sunset from this restaurant is amazing. This outdoor venue provides a more traditional African dining experience. The menu is diverse, catering to a wide range of tastes. And last, we have the Mopani Bar and Lounge, which is a more relaxed setting perfect for cocktails and light snacks. It is ideal for unwinding after a day of exploring or enjoying casual dining. Now to the rooms. The presidential suites are the largest and most luxurious rooms available at the resort. They feature multiple rooms, including a separate bedroom, living area, dining space, and often a private balcony or terrace with stunning views of the Zambezi River or the surrounding landscape. A key feature of the presidential suites is the private outdoor terrace. This area is perfect for enjoying the beautiful Zambian sunsets, river views, or simply relaxing. Other perks of this room includes a dedicated butler service, in-room dining options, and personalized check-in and check-out services. The bathroom in the presidential suite is often a highlight. The best part of this suite is that you get driven to the suite with your own personal chauffeur. Talk about luxurious. Now to the activities. The RADISSON BLU Resort mosi-oa-tunya offers a variety of activities designed to enhance the guest experience and take advantage of the resort's prime location near Victoria Falls and the Zambezi River. Here are some of the activities available. The resort organizes guided tours to Victoria Falls, one of the largest and most famous waterfalls, located just a short distance from the resort. These tours allows guests to experience the majesty of the falls up close, with options for walking tours and photography sessions. Next is the Zambezi River cruise cruises. Guests can enjoy scenic boat cruises on the Zambezi River, including sunset cruises that offer spectacular views of the river and its wildlife. These cruises are a relaxing way to soak in the natural beauty of the area while enjoying drinks and snacks on board. The resort can arrange for wild safaris in the nearby mosi-oa-tunya National Park, where guests can spot a variety of animals, including elephants, giraffes, zebras, and rhinos. Both walking and driving safaris are available. For adrenaline seekers, the resort can coordinate activities such as bungee jumping from the Victoria Falls Bridge, whitewater rafting on the Zambezi River, and helicopter flights over Victoria Falls. These activities provide thrilling experiences and unique views of the landscapes. The resort also offers cultural tours that introduce guests to the rich traditions and history of Zambia. These tours may include visits to local villages, traditional dance performances, and insights into the local way of life. For relaxation, the resort offers a full-service spa offering a range of treatments including massages, facials, and body wraps. I really enjoyed my stay at the Radisson Blu. It was more than I expected, and it definitely lived up to the hype. Will you be staying at the Radisson Blu Resort Mosi-oa-tunya when you visit Livingstone? Do let me know in the comments. Bye!